I always start to solve this kind of problems from the parentheses which are in the middle of the expression. So I'm going to eliminate these parentheses first. I'm going to distribute this c into the parentheses. Simply, I'm going to multiply c naught by every single term in the parentheses. Copy down everything whatever we didn't use. A, B, C, open bracket, A, B, C, or C naught, B, C, or C naught, A, C. Close the bracket. And I'm going to have A, B, C. And let's take a look what we simplify inside of the brackets. I have A, B, C, or C naught and C is always equal 0. And no matter what is multiplied to it, C naught and C is always equal 0. The same story happens over here. I have C naught and C. Right, this is just bracket, and it's also equal 0. So I got A, B, C. A, B, C or 0 is always equal A, B, C. So I have simply A, B, C, and A, B, C and A, B, C is always equal A, B, C. Why? Because A and A is always equal A. The same terms ended together will give me always the same term.